Hey, what's going on, guys? Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com. Welcome to our warehouse. Today we're going to show you guys how to use a straight edge razor, one of the most important tools if you're a barber or if you're somebody at home that wants to learn how to shape yourself up or even shave yourself. There's a lot of key elements when using this tool, and we're going to show you that right now. Okay, so before we even start, let's talk about how the straight razor is designed and how it should be held. We have tons of different straight razors on our website. There's tons of different straight razors out there, but most of them are designed the same. Most of them have a handle which swings and closes and opens up and closes, just like everything else. And most of them, when you open it up, it has a piece hanging out right here, and that's for your fingers to be placed on. Now you can hold the straight razor different type of ways. So I'm going to show you guys how I particularly hold the straight razor. I put 3 fingers like this, and I put 1 finger on the outside. So I have my pinky here and I have 3 fingers. Some people split it up like this. Some people split their fingers in 2 like this. So they put 2 fingers here, 2 fingers here. Okay. And I'm gonna show you guys all the different motions in which you know, to use the straight razor, but whatever is comfortable for you to use the straight razor. If this makes you comfortable, if this makes you comfortable, then you can do that. But the whole point is to have that stability. Having this between your fingers kind of gives you that stability, and, you know, kind of reacts a muscle in your arm to give you that more of a stability, because, you know, using a straight razor is like freehand. So if you have that, you know, that muscle reaction, you'll have more of a sturdy, I believe that this will help it a lot more sturdy. Now they do sell straight razors without this piece on there, where it's just like the metal piece on there, and you can kind of use it like this. And some people even use the blade alone to shave people's faces, and that's just another type of talent. Okay, now that we know how to hold the blade, let's talk a little bit about using the blade. Now I know the first thing that comes to a lot of people's mind is fear. A lot of people get scared. They wonder if they're gonna get cut. Today I'm gonna show you guys all the different variables on how to use the straight razor so you don't have to worry about getting cut. Now when you look at the straight razor, it looks like one piece, right? It looks like one blade. When you put that blade on it, it feels like it's just one blade. But the reality of it, guys, is that it's actually 3 sections involved when using a straight razor. So you have the top corner, you have the middle, and you have the bottom corner. Why is it broken into 3? So when you're trying to shape and shave different parts of your face or someone's face, you're going to be using the 3 different parts. So if somebody wants to define, you know, roundness of their beard, you're going to use the top corner of the blade. The top corner of the blade is going to allow you to kind of get into that roundness. Okay, you can't just take the blade flat, the whole blade, and try to make that roundness. This is how people get cut. They try to go into the corner, like try to make that defined look with the whole blade. So you will have to angle your blade out and use the corner of the blade. So you're angling the blade out a little bit and using the corner of the blade just to get that detailed look, that defined look. The middle part of the blade will be used for something like the mustache. Let's say you're shaving your own mustache. All right, you'll be using the middle. You're going under the nose, or you're shaving under somebody's nose. Most likely you'll be using the middle and sometimes the corner. And then the bottom corner would be the same thing as the top corner to get that detailed, defined, you know, look. Let's say we're going inside of the beard. We'll probably use this end of the corner and kind of get in there with that, with the bottom corner. So the corners are mostly used for the detailed. The whole straight razor could be used as well. So if we look at it like one piece, if we're shaving somebody's face, we'll be using the whole piece of the straight razor. So we'll be using it. But then when it comes time to shaving someone's face, if we have the chin area, we probably would just be using the middle of the blade. If we're trying to shave the corner of their mustache, we'll probably just be using the top part of the blade or the bottom part of the blade. So it's broken down into 3 different parts. Okay, so there's different variables when using a straight razor. So if we just grab our straight razor and we're going on somebody's face or we're going on our own face, if we just grab it, most people, what they do is they grab the blade in the most comfortable position that they can, and they start to shave like this, and they start doing short strokes and try to kind of like shave it off like it's a regular razor. Because it's a straight razor, it does not work like that. The most important part, like I said, is stretching the skin. So you want to stretch the skin as hard as you can. So say if you're cutting somebody's head, you want to make sure that you grab the top of their head and really stretch that skin and pull it up. And then you want to lean your blade at a 30-degree angle. 30 degrees, guys. A lot of people might do this. A lot of people might do this, put it flat on the face and think that's going to work. That won't work. So you got to angle the blade 30 degrees. So I just want it to be angled, okay? And you want to go ahead and stretch the skin as much as you can and angle that blade. So if you're shaving yourself, let's say you're shaving yourself, you want to go ahead and stretch your skin as much as you can, take the blade and angle it at a 30 degree. Stretching is key because when you stretch the face, you stretch the hair, what it's doing is our hair is laid down a certain way. When you actually stretch, it actually picks up the hair and you'll be able to get that hair out of the follicle. So you'll be able to shave that off. Okay guys, hope you guys like this video a lot. Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com. If you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe. It helps the channel. If you guys have any more ideas for videos, leave a comment below. We'll try to get them out there to you. And if you guys ever want to save on products, go to our website, EasyBladeShavingProducts.com. Use coupon code YouTube and save 10% plus free US shipping. I will talk to you guys soon. Jay here again from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com.